Alright, we've got this rechargeable brush type air duster. I've been meaning to get one of these or similar ones for a long time, but can't find anything cheap or good enough. So we'll give this a go. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so 5 volt, battery capacity 6,000 to 1,500, 15,000. I don't know how true that is anyway. Blowing and brushing dual use. Blowing and brushing. Oh right, I got you. It's got 2 heads. Okay. So in the box you get a little manual. Simple. How to use. Release the nozzle. Long press on and off for 3 seconds. And then press switch button each time to adjust 1 gear position, low, high, shutdown. Okay. Okay, alright. Pretty simple. And that's the specs. So this is a 201 model. See, one of them is 6,000, the other one's 15,000. They both have 2 gear. Okay. Okay. Don't know what that hole is. Okay, so it's been charging some time. It uses a Type-C charger, which is nice. And it comes with one of these attachments, which simply plug in there to keep it so you don't lose it. I'm sure I'm going to lose it. Okay. Anyway, take it out for now. It won't work when it's connected to charger. So that's the LED light. Maybe a little bit useful. And press and hold. You can hear it. That's the orange. Press it again. Turns off. Oh, that makes sense. Okay. And we can see it really does take 2 amps. From charger point of view, I can see it's pulling in 2 amps. One sec. Alright, so I've got this guy here. Let's plug this in. Yeah, so 1.93. 5 volts. Okay. Cool. So let's give it a go in the real world. I've got some devices. We can do a quick clean. I'll do it outside. First up, we have a Radeon HD 5770. I'll disconnect the fan. So you can see all the dust all around and all the dust inside here. Let's give it a go. 1, 2, 3. Takes a little while. It does the job, not the best. Maybe it needs more charge. Let's try this. As you can see all the dust there. It's crazy. Let's see if we can clean all that up. There we go. which isn't really doing a good job. Let's try the header, the brush header, see if that will help. So just pull that out, plug this in, there we go. There we go. Yeah. So definitely using the brush has its benefits. As you can see, it's quite clean on the inside now. Hello, SureCan speak. Okay, next up, let's try this guy. This is another graphic card. It's all the dust in there. Very simple one. Power on. Press again for max. Takes a little while. Not bad for a portable one. And this guy here, just a little bit of that. So you really got to use the brush to be able to get full benefit of it, because it doesn't do much without the brush. For example, all those edges around the CPU. But that is pretty clean. Nice. So if you can make your own nozzle, cone shape, much sharper, thinner, then you know you'll be on your way. Will be really powerful. But as is, it does the job, and I will use it in my jobs. That's a 201 model. This is a 15,000 milliamp hour, which I don't think really it is, but you never know. Okay. Anyway, that's it. The link is in the description if you want to buy. Never like the sound of that. Something in there. Okay. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.